Hi, who loves pumpkin pie? I know I do. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade pumpkin pie. So stay tuned. Alrighty guys, hi, I'm Dr. Ramona Lazard. And so thankful for you guys to be here watching this video. Thank you. So I am a fitness and chronic pain coach. And also I have a doctorate degree in physical therapy, and on my channel you're going to learn anything and everything about fitness and functional nutrition for chronic pain. So what I'm going to show you how to do is make a homemade pumpkin pie, and the ingredients you're going to need to make the crust. I have a half a cup and a tablespoon of frozen coconut oil that's already stored in the freezer right now. I didn't want to take it out because I didn't want it to start to melt. So I'm just letting that chill. Okay. Also, you can use, I'm going to do a blended for flour. I'm going to use coconut flour. I'm going to use a cup of that, and then all-purpose flour by King Arthur. Yeah, I'm going to use a 1/4 of this. They have no preservatives, so I love this brand. So that's the flour I'm going to be using. Also, we'll be using coconut sugar. This is what I'm going to use, a tablespoon of coconut sugar. Also, I'll be using apple cider vinegar, half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and then 1/4 cup and then a tablespoon of cold water. Okay.
Now I have all the dry ingredients in the food processor. So now I'm getting ready to combine everything in the food processor by hitting the pulse button. Okay, so I took the flour out and put it in a bowl. And so you can either do it like this too. You can mix all your ingredients, it's salt and sugar and flour all in a big mixer bowl if you don't have a food processor. Also, this is the frozen coconut oil, so I'll go ahead and blend that together until it is a small size, like a pea size. And then once I have that to the proper size, I'll combine all the ingredients. So I add all the dry ingredients that was in that bowl. So that was the flour, sugar, and pinch of salt, and then I add the apple cider vinegar in there, and also I added the cold water. So now I'm going to go ahead and combine this all together, make the dough.
Hey everyone, so I mixed the dough. I end up having to add half a cup of cold water to the ingredients because it wasn't, turning into a wet dough. And so now everything is combined. And so what you're going to do, use parchment paper and just put one piece here. And so now we're going to conform the dough. So I'm putting everything together. So you'll make sure that everything is nice and tight. And then I'll take this other parchment paper and I'm going to continue to flatten that. Eventually I'll flatten it out to be able to fit in this pan. All right, and then after that I'll put it in the oven to bake. So if you have some issue where you feel like it's too soft, or you feel like it's not dry enough, you can always put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes to chill, and then after that you can bake your crust. So looking forward to that. Alright guys, so I already put the dough in the pan, and I put some holes in it to let the air out so it don't bubble up when it's cooking in the oven, and then did some cross hatchet around the edges, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Alright guys, so I pulled this out of the refrigerator. It's been 10 minutes, And so the crust is actually a lot less, you know, harder. It's not as soft when you press down. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes at temperature of 350. I'll put that on the medium rack so that, you know, it'll cook nice and golden and brown. So, all right, here we go. Here we go.